If your mind has been restless and your body has been carrying more tension than you'd like, this sigil was made for you. Hello, my darlings, and welcome to my Sigil Magic series. Each month, I create a magic sigil for the community, for you to use in your spell work and to manifest what you want in life. The intention for the magic sigil in this video is my body is relaxed, my mind is calm, I am at peace. Let's do some magical crafting. I'm using a worksheet I designed to create the sigil. If you'd like to download any or all of my sigil making worksheets, please visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. The process begins by clearly defining your magical intention or desire. This could be anything from achieving a personal goal to influencing a specific outcome. I start with my magical intention, and I write this out as a positive phrase with a single clear intention that represents my true will. My body is relaxed, my mind is calm, I am at peace. Now that my intention is distilled into a simple statement or phrase, I create a visual sigil to represent it. To do this, I remove all vowels from the intention statement, leaving only consonants. Consonants are the manifesting sounds. If a consonant is repeated, I use it only one time. I'm left with MYB, DSR, LXN, CTP. Next, I turn all of the letters into numbers using the number chart, and I'm left with 472, 419, 365, 327. Then, beginning with the first number, I began tracing the sigil, going in order. You can add dots, arrows, lines, and embellishments to the sigil if you feel drawn to. As I work, I put my energy and my will into the creation of the sigil. I concentrate on the intention as I create it, entering a focused and meditative state of consciousness, repeating the intention sentence as a mantra. There's something quietly beautiful about the way a sigil works. It isn't loud or demanding. It doesn't ask you to perform or be anything other than exactly where you are. In chaos magic, a sigil is a symbolic representation of an intention, and the magic in it comes from a very simple truth. Your subconscious mind responds far more deeply to symbols than it does to words or direct commands. When you speak a desire out loud or write it as a sentence, your conscious mind immediately gets involved. It second guesses, it doubts, it argues. But a symbol slips past all of that. It goes straight to the deeper part of you that already knows how to receive and how to create. That is the part of you that sigil magic is speaking to. For this month's intention, that feels especially fitting. The sigil from my body is relaxed, my mind is calm, I am at peace, is a reminder held in symbol form. Each time you see it or work with it, it speaks directly to the part of you that already knows how to be still. I take the monthly sigil and I recreate it as digital artwork so I can add it to a satin spell bag for my patrons. I print the digital file onto a heat transferable vinyl sheet. Then I cut the sigil out and iron it onto a small satin drawstring bag. I create Sigil spell bags for my Sigil spell bag tier patrons every month. Sigil spell bag patrons receive a monthly pen pal card with a note from me and a new Sigil spell bag tucked inside their card each month. If you'd like to become a Sigil Spellbag patron, head over to my Patreon at the link in the description below and choose the Sigil Spellbag tier. One of my favorite ways to use the sigil is to draw or trace it onto a small piece of paper and place it under your pillow or inside your pillowcase before sleep. As you settle in for the night, let this sigil's energy work with your body's natural state of rest, reinforcing the intention while your conscious mind is quiet and your subconscious is most open. Another beautiful use for this sigil is to incorporate it into a bath ritual. Using a natural oil like olive oil or almond oil, trace the sigil directly onto your skin as you settle into the water. As you soak, visualize the intention absorbing into you, your body softening, your mind going still, peace settling in from the outside. And of course, you can place this sigil on or in a spell bag. Fill it with herbs and crystals that support calm and relaxation. Lavender, chamomile, blue lace agate pair beautifully with this intention. Tuck in a small written copy of the sigil. Carry it or keep it somewhere you spend time, and let it quietly hold the energy of peace close to you throughout the month. This sigil is meant to be shared. Feel free to use it in any magical workings you do related to peace, calm, relaxation, and inner stillness. May you move through this season with ease in your body and quiet in your mind. May peace find you gently, and may it stay.